Yo, welcome back to the channel. Today guys, we got the beast here. Just check out this mad machine. So this is the ADV 390. So this is one of my friend's bikes. So it's like fully loaded right now with the panniers. There's also top box, so it's not installed yet. And I love this one right over here. This is the water bottle carrier. So this is the BS6 ADV 390. Yes, it's a BS6. So it's like fully loaded. So he's gonna be touring to Ladakh real soon. So maybe around 2-3 days he might be leaving to Ladakh. So that's why the bike is fully loaded. And it also has a custom wrap. So it only comes in two colors, orange and white. So this one is stealth gray. So it looks really nice. So he's modded the bike like pretty heavily. So it costed about nearly 1 lakh to modify this beast. Just look at the size. It's like really massive, man. So let's just hop into the bike. So it's a typical 390 meter, nothing much fancy. So I gotta be pretty careful because it has the panniers. Just like a surprise meet. It's quite huge and it's like a bit heavy to ride because of the panniers. But the rest of it is really good. So I won't take it along because this put a speed limit to it. ಸೂಪರ್ ಉಂಟು ಗಾಡಿ, ಸ್ಮೂತ್ ಉಂಟು. ಒಂಚೂರು ಹೆವಿ ಫೀಲ್ ಆಪುಜಿ ಇರಗಾತ್ ಅವು ನನ್ನ ಲೋಡೆಡ್ ಇಜ್ಜಂಡತೆ ಐಕ್ ನನ್ನ ಲೋಡ್ ಆದ ಬಕ್ಕ ಇರ ಫೀಲ್ ಅವು
ಗಾಡಿ ಲೈಟ್ ವೇಟ್ ಉಂಟು ಇರಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ತದೆ.